Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Samsung account on a secure browser or the Settings app. This is essential because two-step changes require reauthentication. Once signed in, make sure you can receive verification codes on the registered phone or backup email. If you use a recovery code or trusted device, keep it available. Make sure to disable any VPN that might block verification traffic and proceed to account settings so we can access security without delays. You now navigate to Security and choose Two-Step Verification. This is where the setting lives. When prompted, enter the verification code sent to your phone or backup email so Samsung confirms it's really you. Once authenticated, review linked devices and any backup methods because you may need to remove or update them. Make sure to uncheck two-step verification or toggle it off, and follow any on-screen confirmations. Samsung will ask you to confirm this critical. Once you flip off two-step verification, confirm the change through the email or device prompt they send. This completes the removal. Make sure to sign out of other sessions and update your recovery info, then store any backup codes in a safe place. If something goes wrong, like you can't receive codes, use Samsung's account recovery flow or contact Samsung support. Have proof of ownership ready. That troubleshooting step will speed up restoration and prevent accidental lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.